his bail. And she said no. They have done nothing wrong. They don't know all these things. They called her to a meeting in Meduguri where they were insulting her. That didn't work. They took her to another meeting in Sokoto where they called all the northern, I don't know if I'll call them leaders, to be insulting her because of me. That she should have jailed me.
Consider
that nothing will happen. That Igbo leaders are signed up to it. That our nonsense with them. I will come to the meetings they've been holding against me and IPOB later on. But Binta Nyako stood strong. I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all that the intimidation she's been forced to endure will ever stop. I don't think so. People like that never get to become the chief judge of the Federation. Kafarati Abdul Kafarati killed the case that we were today. He's the chief judge of the High Court of Nigeria. He granted ex parte motion to the government of Nigeria designating me a terrorist. He was rewarded. And I'm sure they're saying to Binta Nyako, if you jail him or convict him, there's a reward for you. Do you see how Nigeria works? They don't understand what justice and law is all about. No. These are black, evil people from Africa. Evil people. Come behind rule in darkness and evil. We must continue.
We're very hungry.
What happened this morning is uncalled for.
And sacked his lawyer. Said it's not fair to do.
Actually, what happened this morning is actually uncalled for. You can see how the defendant Nnamdi Kanu decided to represent himself. He asked the lawyers with the legal team that we should stop, that we want to speak, because Nnamdi Kanu is feeling that Nigeria is not fair to him. He's just a human rights activist. I'm agitating for self-determination with reasons. And one expected the federal government to address all those reasons that gave rise to this agitation. Of course, we also discover that some other persons that are having this similar issue within Nnamdi Kanu. I'm talking about the offense of terrorism, Showore from the west, the president of Mieti Allah Council from the north, Sonny, their own has been settled. Why is Nnamdi Kanu still in the detention? And the people are saying that because he's an Igbo. Buhari did it because the president Tinubu has come from the west. And this is not good for this country. So we feel that there is still a room for them to withdraw these charges and so that we have peace. Of course, we now discover that the Court of Appeal,
where is your integrity?
Non-Court of Appeal is sitting in the whole of Southeast. The judges, the federal judges in the Southeast, judges of National Industrial Court, Federal High Court, Court of Appeal, they are not sitting because of the threats given by some persons saying that there is no justice in this country. So you can see how what Nnamdi Kanu is saying. I tried, though, as a lawyer, but I try to see his feelings.
Now, we saw your client use
how can they be holding for?
Yes, of course, which I did not consent to. Of course, because what we are, as a lawyer, we have our rules of ethics. And you discover that when we are trying to calm him down, he said that we should sit down and walk away, that we should not repeat again. So he decided, so he's not a lawyer. So, and I think the judge and the federal government understand, because many people have applied to the federal government. They offend the many other persons have applied as begged to the federal government. Please use political means to resolve this particular matter. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu so that we have angry. So and now the judge on the issue of the judge has herself there in the 16th court order. That's what Nnamdi Kanu is saying. One expected the judge to first of all set aside that order. I don't say you give the order, you have the right to set aside the order. And even that to set aside the order, it will now give way for you to have the decision into the matter. Thank you and God bless you. Except he called us and asked us to continue. From what is in the court now, he has maybe because of today's proceedings. Are you going to say because I have a letter he gave me and that letter has not been withdrawn? So if he wrote to me and asked me, I would withdraw. It's my pleasure.
Maxwell
Opera is my name. a member of the
Do you react to today's proceedings? We've seen that
it might
the
go
case
for
could
an
not even
Igbo
go on as planned, and now she has adjourned the case sine die. What way forward?
Well, there's no way this case could have gone on anywhere. Because in the first place, the court had lost jurisdiction to sit over this case since September last year. So we came here today on a limited appearance. We appeared under protest out of utmost respect for the judge and for the court, to listen to the court as to the reasons why we were invited before the same court that was recused in September last year. Nigerian public needs to understand the nature of a recusal. A recusal comes as a court order. And even non-lawyers are aware that once an order of court is made, the only way you can set it aside is to take it on appeal. Nobody appealed this order. The order is extant and subsisting, is still valid. And we were invited today to be informed about some memo from the Chief Judge that we don't even have a copy of the memo. So our submission on the record is that the court stands recused until that order is set aside.
Now, Justice Mutanyaku has adjourned this case sine die. What is the implication for you?
Well, sine die is a word of art for indefinite adjournment. So,
Little can and said that they are free. What you go together is good for you, gods. We are hungry. We are all hungry. Yeah, Nigerians are hungry. So right now, free Unadi Kanu and have peace. If Unadi Kanu is not free, there are peace in Nigeria. Because I sense that. I know Cyber supporters will back him, fight for him. You don't have the Kanu now. So that they can peace in Nigeria. I don't know what they are doing to Unadi Kanu. I was adopted. We are only commentators. We don't have anything. We are not in there on there. We are just commentators. Or you for Nigeria, we told you want. In Nigeria, indivisible, so be it. But allow peace to reign. Respect the rule of law. It's done everywhere in the world. Law of law is supreme. And I tend to deny the rule of law. For me, gender. So please, let's respect it. And experience peace. Everything I like. And don't comment the comment section. What do you think about the Kanu and the Typo brothers? Samekpa, it's a similar thing in Finland. Thank you. God bless you. Cheers.